Welcome, CNG 213. So you guys should be working on probably about week two stuff about now. Um, when we get into week two, we look at managing organizational units within servers, and we can take a look at the reading. Once again, the reading it should be somewhat review material um, from your from 212. Well, once you've taken it, where you're making organizational units, you're looking at user group computers and starting to manipulate. Um, I would say manipulate, organize devices, people, and this at this level, we're starting to form um, a layer of security because we're saying, okay, only these groups of users can access this. Only these, where's this computers? Only these computers can access the DMZ. Client computers cannot do this. So once again, another week where you're should be kind of review, ramping up for more material as you go. Um, Make sure that you look at the reading, complete the lab simulations, and those will be migrated over to D2L. Um, what else? Make sure you get the quiz done. When we get to next week, it's going to say chapter 2 again, and we're going to be looking at DNS from another book to make sure we cover that topic. Um, Getting more into how everything at a feature level, excuse me, at a feature level comes together so that the DHCP, actually, I should say just domain controller, because at this point we're really kind of looking at a domain controller computer, how the tasks and features of a domain control computer can be all in one computer, or we can start to break these features up to be in a domain cluster and actually work as independent servers, but it's actually a cluster group working together to complete this operation. Let me know if you have any questions. Once again, reach out to me through email. In D2L, just make sure to click course class list and then click on my name here, and it should send me an email, pop up with an email. Or go to D2L and then click, or I shouldn't say D2L, go to your eWolf account. You can click a class in there and then send me an email also that way. But make sure you're not trying to email from D2L to the outside world or from the outside world into D2L because D2L is still its own little separate enclosure and has that security model set up so it cannot be accessed that way. Good work this week. Make sure to keep on track. And if you have any issues, make sure to reach out through email.